Hello viewers, today I am going to show you my deep learning based, actually machine learning based online Python flask based application to analyze textual animation. Here I am going to run my application and running, and then it will get the link address to run online based application, your user input and the analysis section. This is the link. You have to click on this, and here is the introduction. You have to write your text. And click here to get the animation. Hello. Actually, this application finds 6 emotions from text. Sometimes it takes time to analyze because of PC performance and performance of your internet, and sometimes it takes time for learning, and it learns from big data. I hope you will enjoy the result, and this is the result. This is online based machine learning application. This method finds 6 emotions: fear, surprise, sadness, anger, joy and love, and result for the given text is joy, and prediction plus is 4, and the joy emotion percentage is 85, and 14% is other emotion. Others means except joy, love, anger, etc. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my channel and my channel's video content, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.